convoy of riders have kind of tore it up first too.
Oh! Fucking plant.
Ah, that's not what I wanted. Check that out. Starter just fucking works. Charging rate is fine. I think what it is, why you need special chargers, is the maintain rate, where they tend to get overcharged with the lithium ion. That's why you need special chargers for them, because they know when to shut off. Picked up a souvenir. The watch.
Your watch?
No, a watch.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we'll check it out when we get back to the truck.
Nice. Here I am buying them on fucking Temu.
Yeah. Just scavenge some trails.
Yeah, just go where they're naturally grown. They certainly ate a Supermoto. If you remember the front brake on the KTM. Ah.
Oh no, it definitely fades out Supermoto after a few laps.
You gonna try bump start it?
Well, if I have no power at all.
Yeah.
If you use blue, I don't know what it would have done that. There's nothing I can think of that would, again, I'm not even getting my neutral light, nothing.
Yeah, that sounds like main fuse or battery terminal came loose from vibration.
Yeah.
Good thing you got the easy removal seat today. Oops. More of a drop off than I anticipated.
Got me a little speed.
Yep. Whoa. Ah! That sucked.
Cards.
I mean, it's fun to get shit that you would never justify buying yourself. Whoa. Uh-oh. Well, there's also a reason you would never buy it yourself.
And there's a little easy off in the corner I just took to get off, so Yeah, I mean, there's shit up there. It's just an opportunity to go up a cool rock wall. I mean, we've been looking for one. Not the one, but... Oh, you bitch.
Oh, that was not good.
Did it bog out?
Oh, almost bogged and then almost looped out. And then almost did this. And then almost wheelie, bog, fall over to the left. It's fun. You should try it.
I'm going to. I just wanted to clear out the carb.
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. Same fucking thing. Woo. I mean, I'm sure it's below 4,000. Or right there around the 4,000 mark. Oh! Grab your bars. Definitely feeling the extra layer of padding right now. Ah. We're doing just did this trail. Yeah, there you go. I think you got yourself an oil leak too. I see some smoke coming off your head. I gotta start buying parts, so I'm like, that's something I really need to do.
Whoa!
And we fine tune it now at this point with the air screw.
Chuck it!
Shit. Nope, I should have stopped there.
Yeah, that route looked a little bit worse, but then I caught a bad bounce on a rock.